Welcome back, Spooky Beans. So today we're going to be doing another Make It Miniverse, and this time this one's a Halloween themed, and it's based off of the new movie BeetleJuice 2, which I found so interesting, so of course I had to grab it. In this series there are 4 recipes. We got the cake, which was very interesting, and honestly I didn't know what to expect with this one, but I was very excited to see that they also had the others available. Maybe Sandworm we'll get next time. So this is the cake. We also got some sprinkles as well as the table, as you can see in the corner. These are the decorations, such as the icing and I believe the cake topper. And this is the plate that goes for the cake. We have our utensils. And of course we have our glaze that'll be going on top of the cake. So this one was very interesting for me because I've never really done a Miniverse cake before, so I kind of was interested to see how this would turn out. I will admit though, the hardest part was having to glaze the top of the cake because this resin was so hard to get out. You can kind of see me struggle a little bit, so Miniverse, please make it easier for us to decorate with cakes or cupcakes like this, especially if it's going to be in a squeeze bottle. But I was able to manage it, so the icing is purple, which is very interesting. I kind of like it though, it's kind of on theme for BeetleJuice, especially because you already have the green and the black, a little bit of orange, you got some white. So I really like that the purple kind of stands out the most. We added some sprinkles, let this set for 10 minutes under UV light or under the sunlight. And then we added some more glaze on top. Again, I struggled with the glaze, I didn't even think I'd have enough, but thankfully there was enough for the top. I'm gonna add some more sprinkles. And then we're going to add our cobweb icing. This was actually really cute, not gonna lie. Now let's just put this right there. And now to top it all off, we have our toppings. These are bats, which are so adorable in my opinion. I will give credit where it's due. Miniverse can make some cute stuff. And voila, we have our beautiful spooky cake. Honestly, this was so cute and I loved making this. So this is the final product, and in all honesty, I'm not disappointed. I mean, I will admit the glaze was super hard to get out of, so Miniverse, if you can kind of work on that a little bit, it'd be great. But all in all, I love this. I loved making it. It's so cute. I'm just gonna add this to my collection of all the mini make-its that I have. So if you guys enjoy and you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. And if you guys have any recommendations to any more of the Miniverse Make-It series, I want to know, and I want to see if I can find them because these things are adorable and I love making them. So I want to know if they have any other more themed stuff or just in general things that are new or different. So if you know of any, let me know down in the comments. Thank you all for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you beans in my next one. Happy spooky season, beans.